Okay, now we are going to look at elimination when your variables don't simply cancel out. So if you look at this example here, we've got a 5x plus y equals negative 13, and a 7x minus 3y is equal to negative 49. Okay, so what we need to do here is we need to determine what number we can multiply the top or the bottom by to, in fact, cancel out one variable. So I see that I've got a y above a negative 3y. So what could I multiply that top equation by so it would cancel out with a negative 3y? So I am able to see that if I multiply everything by 3, that would give me a 15x, 3 times 5x, and a 3 times 3y, 3 times y is 3y, and then a 3 times negative 13 is negative 39. Okay, so why did I multiply everything by 3? Because I saw that on the bottom here, I've got this negative 3y. So I was thinking ahead as to what I could eliminate. So if you notice now, when I add these two equations together, we get a 22x, the 15x plus, but now those y's will cancel out, and we're left with a negative 39 and a plus a negative 49, which would give us, what is that, 88? Negative 88, okay. And then divide by 22, and our x will then equal negative 4. Okay, so that whole thing right there is going to be our first step. Okay, just eliminating one variable. See if I can do this without getting too messy here. The second step is going to be to plug that into either equation. So I see the first equation, 5x plus y equals negative 13. And we now know that x is negative 4. So we're down to one variable. So negative 20 plus y is equal to negative 13. Add 20, and y is equal to negative 13 plus 20, or 7. Okay, so my solution, I believe, is x is that negative 4 we got in part 1, and y is 7 we got in part 2. Last thing I got to do is I got to check it to make sure. There were a lot of steps there. So I've got a 7x. I'm going to use the other equation here, minus 3y equals negative 49. 7, what's my x? My x is negative 4. What's my y? My y is 7. And that should equal negative 49. Negative 4 times 7 would be negative 28. And negative 3 times 7 would be negative 21. Whoops. 21. And that would be negative 49. And that does check out. So we know that we are all good with that.